Welcome back to the channel. If you're a proud pet owner looking to keep your furry friend healthy, clean, and happy, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best pet grooming tools you can get right now. Each one is highly rated, practical, and perfect for daily use. We have included links in the description. Number 1. LuckyTail Pet Nail Grinder for Dogs and Cats. Super quiet and low vibration electric dog nail grinder with 2 LED lights, USB rechargeable and cordless, 2 speeds, small to large pets. The LuckyTail Pet Nail Grinder is designed to provide a quiet and comfortable grooming experience for both dogs and cats. One of its main features is its super quiet motor, which produces very low vibration. This is especially helpful for pets who are sensitive to noise or get anxious with loud grooming tools. Unlike traditional nail clippers that can make pets nervous, this grinder allows you to file nails gently and gradually without causing stress. This model includes 2 LED lights positioned near the grinding head, which greatly improves visibility while grooming. The lights help you see the nails clearly, even in low light conditions, reducing the risk of accidentally grinding too much or hurting your pet. This is especially important for pets with dark nails where the quick is harder to spot. The grinder offers 2 speed settings, a slower speed for small or sensitive pets, and a faster speed for thicker nails or larger dogs. This dual speed feature makes it versatile for all kinds of pets, whether you have a small cat or a large dog. The diamond bit grinding head is durable and effective, filing down nails smoothly instead of crushing or splitting them, which can happen with dull clippers. Another benefit is the cordless design, powered by a rechargeable USB battery. This makes the tool very portable and easy to use anywhere, no need to worry about cords or finding an outlet nearby. A full charge lasts several grooming sessions, so you can trim nails conveniently without interruptions. The lightweight and ergonomic shape provide a comfortable grip, allowing precise control even if your pet moves during grooming. Many pet owners appreciate how quiet and gentle this grinder is compared to other electric grinders or clippers. It helps turn nail trimming into a calm and quick process rather than a stressful event. The built-in LED lights add extra safety and confidence, especially for first-time groomers. Number 2. Dog Nail Clippers and Trimmer by Bosel, with safety guard to avoid overcutting nails and free nail file, razor-sharp blades, sturdy non-slip handles for safe, professional and home grooming. The Bosel dog nail clippers are designed for pet owners who want a safe and professional quality nail trimming experience at home. One of the standout features of these clippers is the built-in safety guard. This guard is essential because it helps prevent overcutting your pet's nails, protecting the sensitive quick inside the nail that, if cut, can cause pain and bleeding. The safety guard is adjustable and well-positioned, allowing you to trim nails with confidence, even if you're new to grooming your pet's nails. This makes the Bosel clippers particularly popular among first-time pet owners or those who want to avoid frequent trips to professional groomers. The clippers feature razor-sharp stainless steel blades that deliver clean, precise cuts. Sharp blades are important because dull blades can crush or splinter nails, which can be uncomfortable or even harmful to your pet. Bosel's blades maintain their sharpness over time, ensuring consistent cutting performance for months or years of use. The handles are designed with comfort and safety in mind. They have a sturdy, non-slip grip that reduces the risk of slipping while trimming. This means you can hold the clippers securely, even if your hands are wet or your pet is moving around. The ergonomic handles also help reduce hand fatigue during longer grooming sessions, which is useful if you have multiple pets or thick nails to trim. Included with the clippers is a free nail file. After trimming, you can use this file to smooth out any rough edges left behind, which prevents snagging on fabrics or accidental scratches from sharp nail tips. The nail file is a simple but helpful addition that improves overall grooming results. These clippers are versatile and effective on nails of all sizes, from small dogs and cats to larger breeds. Their robust construction ensures durability, meaning they won't easily bend or break under pressure. Many users find the Bosel clippers to be a reliable tool that delivers professional-grade results in the comfort of their own home. Number 3. Reusable Pet Hair Remover Brush, 2025 upgraded multifunctional 4-in-1 pet hair remover tool, long-handled dog-cat hair remover for furniture, bedding, carpets, broom. 1. The 2025 upgraded multifunctional 4-in-1 reusable pet hair remover brush is a versatile tool designed to tackle pet hair removal around your home efficiently and sustainably. This tool combines multiple functions in one, making it ideal for pet owners who want a single device that can handle furniture, bedding, carpets, clothing, and even car interiors. One of the key advantages of this brush is its reusable design. Unlike traditional lint rollers or sticky tape sheets that require constant refills and generate waste, this hair remover brush can be cleaned and reused many times. This makes it an eco-friendly and cost-effective solution for controlling pet hair. The tool features a long handle, which is ergonomically designed for comfortable use. This longer reach allows you to clean hard-to-access areas without straining or bending too much. The handle also provides a secure grip to maintain control during cleaning, which helps when working on larger surfaces like sofas or car seats. Its unique bristle structure is designed to lift and trap pet hair effectively. The brush attracts hair from fabric surfaces by gently pulling loose fur off without damaging delicate textiles. Whether your pet sheds long or short hair, this tool works efficiently to clear the hair from multiple surfaces, including couches, carpets, blankets, and clothing. The 4-in-1 multifunctionality means this brush is not just a hair remover. It also works as a broom for sweeping pet hair and dirt into piles, making cleanup faster and easier. This combination reduces the number of cleaning tools you need to buy and store. Cleaning the brush itself is simple and quick. After use, you can rinse or wipe the bristles to remove trapped hair, restoring its effectiveness in seconds. This quick cleaning process saves time compared to replacing disposable sheets or sticky rollers repeatedly. Many pet owners praise the brush for its durability and strong build quality. It holds up well against regular use, making it a reliable choice for daily or weekly cleaning routines. Number 4. Minitor Medium Dog Undercoat Deshedding Tool. Long hair reduces loose hair from shedding. The Minitor Medium Dog Undercoat Deshedding Tool is a specialized grooming tool designed specifically for medium-sized dogs with long hair. Its main purpose is to reduce shedding by targeting the loose undercoat hair that naturally comes off during seasonal changes and regular grooming. One of the defining features of this tool is its stainless steel deshedding edge. This edge is engineered to reach beneath the topcoat, safely removing loose hairs from the undercoat without damaging the topcoat or irritating your dog's skin. This is important because maintaining the integrity of the topcoat helps protect your dog from the elements while reducing shedding. The Minitor is designed to be gentle yet effective. Its edges are smooth and precisely crafted, allowing you to groom your dog regularly without causing discomfort. This makes it suitable for dogs with sensitive skin or those who dislike harsh grooming tools. The ergonomic handle is comfortable to hold, providing a secure grip even during longer grooming sessions. The handle's design reduces hand fatigue and improves control, so you can groom your dog thoroughly and efficiently. Another helpful feature is the ejector button, which allows for quick and easy removal of hair from the tool. After brushing, simply press the button to release the collected hair, avoiding the hassle of manually pulling fur from the deshedding edge. Many pet owners notice a significant reduction in loose hair around the house when using the Minitor regularly. This can help minimize the time and effort spent on cleaning floors, furniture, and clothing. Number 5. Herzco Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush for Dogs and Cats. Pet hair brush for shedding long and short hair. Easy clean retractable bristles. Cat and dog grooming tool. Purple. The Herzco Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush is a highly popular grooming tool suitable for both dogs and cats, and it works effectively on all hair types, whether short or long. This brush is designed to remove loose hair, dirt, and tangles, promoting a healthy, shiny coat while reducing shedding. One of the most notable features of this slicker brush is its fine, angled wire bristles. These bristles are gentle enough to avoid scratching or irritating your pet's skin, yet firm enough to penetrate thick coats and dead angle mats. This combination makes it perfect for regular grooming sessions to keep your pet's fur smooth and clean. The brush has an innovative self-cleaning mechanism. With the simple push of a button, the wire bristles retract into the base, allowing you to quickly and easily remove collected hair from the brush. This feature saves time and hassle compared to manually pulling fur off or using separate tools for cleaning the brush. It also helps maintain hygiene by keeping the brush clean and ready for the next use. The handle of the Herzco Slicker Brush is ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip, which allows you to maintain control during grooming. This is especially helpful when working on larger pets or stubborn mats, as it reduces hand fatigue. The brush is effective at removing loose hair that would otherwise end up around your home on furniture and clothing. Regular use can significantly reduce the amount of shedding and help keep your pet's coat healthier by preventing matting and tangling. The Herzco brush is versatile enough for different breeds and coat types. Whether your pet has fine, short hair or thick, long fur, this brush can help improve grooming outcomes. Thanks for watching. All product links are in the description if you'd like to check them out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more honest reviews on the best pet gear and home essentials. See you in the next video.